Got a few units here. It's an American Standard. We got a vintage, which I believe to be a Luxaire, and the blades fell off. That's interesting. Looks like it got painted or something. And here's a Mitsubishi. This replaced a Goodman CLJ. Oh, this is a heat pump. Oh, it's turned on. And here are a few American Standard units. Allegiance 15. See if I can get the data. This one's running. Look at these things. I've never seen anything like this. Gotta make this super quick, but look at that. Cat bandit. Another one. Mitsubishi right there. Another one. There's a Goodman. There used to be a unit up there, now it's gone. This not just like a train. It's Mitsubishi. There's another one. Same thing. And there's a Goodman Desert Series up there. And there's two more of these Luxaires. I believe these are Luxaires at least. It's Mitsubishi, two of them. There's an American Standard. It's the sweaty compressor. There's something to shut off down there. There's some sort of ICP. It's got two compressors. Oh, it's got a little ambient kit. I think. Wait a minute. Okay, it's got a bad run cap. Oh, no way. Look at this thing. This is super rare. Awesome. That data sheet's gone, but awesome. Here's a Goodman. I think this was the one that was running. Yeah, line is sweaty. There's an American Standard right there. Yeah, 2004, 5-ton. Here's this one. This will be the last. Oh, this has micro channel. I didn't know they used micro channel. Interesting. Here are two Trane units. Oh, wait, these are like brand new. 2020. I guess they're not brand new, but they're new. These replaced Rheem stamped Octagons, I believe. Here's a Trane. This replaced a Goodman CLJ. Here's an Aire-Flo. That was 11. this thing. This one. It's a Rheem 3-ton. Here's a stamped Octagon. That's not been running. 99, 3.5 ton.